Hello friends, welcome to all of you once again on my channel IELTS at Home. My name is Navpreet Kaur and I'm your host, guide, mentor on this channel. Well, this is one of the biggest problem of every person who want to prepare for IELTS to find out IELTS material for preparation. So today I will give you the right guidance to find out this. So please watch the full video and if it is informative then like and share also. How can you get listening material? There are two ways. Firstly, you can do practice from YouTube or you can search websites on Google. Both of these are free. But in my opinion, the best source is to download a listening app from Play Store on your mobile. It's also free and it is better than YouTube and Google. To avoid wasting your time on installing multiple listening apps, try to find out an app with maximum listening practice test with 90 to 100 tests. So for this purpose, open your Play Store on your mobile and find a list of free listening apps. For this, remember one thing, check reviews before installing and also choose ads free app because otherwise you will be unable to concentrate on your listening test. How you can get reading material? Either you can download an app or you can do practice from any website on Google. Both of these sources are free. However, it may affect your eyes if you do reading practice on your gadget. You can print reading tests from website also to avoid this problem, but it will be costly also. So the best source, which is not free, to purchase Cambridge English IELTS practice books. Cambridge English books. These are the best source to do IELTS practice at home and you can purchase these online. There are 14 Cambridge IELTS series and each book contain 4 tests with all 4 modules and also it contain one audio CD for listening practice. And apart from this, you can get one book free when you will fill your exam. Usually IELTS institutions provide this. And British Council also deliver one book for practice if you fill your exam with British Council. For getting writing material, you can purchase Cambridge English books. Also, you can install an app from Play Store. But the best source is to search on Google for task 1 and task 2. You can see thousands of pictures about this. Material for speaking module. You can search introductory speaking questions and cue cards on Google for free. Or you can purchase Cambridge English books because each book contains 4 speaking tests in actual exam pattern, but it's not free. Or also you can purchase any other book by searching online. Well, I want to clear one thing. IELTS exam has no syllabus and these all sources are just for practice. Rote learning and cramming is not possible and also it's not advisable because you don't know and even no one knows what type of topic will come in your exam. Now I think it's clear where you can search material for all modules. You know now which are free and which are not free. Before choosing any source, compare their pros and cons. In my opinion, you can get free material for every module, but for reading, I personally recommend you to purchase any book because it's difficult to do practice on the screen of your gadget and also it may affect your eyesight. So it's better to spend money on book rather than your eye treatment. So thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also press the bell icon for the latest update and don't forget to share and like my videos to encourage me. Thank you.